Joining me now is Vice President of Field Research and Development, Dan Poston. Dan, thank you for joining us.
Glad to be here.
Can you tell us a little bit about what research we're doing at what universities?
We've partnered with multiple universities over the last four and a half years as we've been building our product line. We were up to about 15 major land grant institutions prior to this year, and we're currently testing with about 23 institutions across the U.S. And all of that, Lindsay, is in addition to all of the research plots that we have behind the scenes. So they supplement what we do and become real partners in our product development process. They allow us to characterize products, gives us lots of testing environments, so they're a valuable tool for us.
Can you tell us what some of the key findings have been in the research?
The biggest things we have been able to do with those partners is take a specific environment and dial in how this product really works at that environment.
Interesting. Can you speak to how this product should be positioned and when you should actually measure a yield difference?
The yield difference we're finding is highly related to the level of nitrogen loss in the environment. For example, if you have a spot in the field that loses a lot of nitrogen either to leaching or denitrification, the micro will actually have a large measurable yield difference in those spots. If you have another spot in the field that is not losing a whole lot of nitrogen and the plant is getting all of the nitrogen it needs from the synthetic nitrogen source, then you may not be able to measure a yield difference at all. The value is very much associated with nitrogen loss. The bigger the loss, the more you're likely to measure a yield difference.
Now, what do you think all this data actually means for our reps and our customers?
Customers know which fields tend to lose more nitrogen than others. So now they can begin to target where they put the product on their farm or where they want to start trying the product.
Okay, thank you so much, Dan.